All right. Right now, if you see the background, we are there so we get the various team them we participate today in this against barbecue. Yeah. They don't play since morning. Yeah, them busy. They play then games them, and I believe right now then they to the last end of the program, where is then they play semi-final for the one that will qualify for go and play the final. So these are the events where they attract a lot of people them all across the world. It has been going now for many years, but you can see every year the population they add up. You understand, eh? And this are the intention of the organizers them of the free barbecue. Well, not a free barbecue because when you come, you pay for your food and you drink. So you can see, I believe say I don't know whose team they play right now, but I'll go inquire about know whose team they play right now. All right. So this now your boy Baka King Conte live here at the Ghent Barbecue. All right, Adenaya with me, brother. Right now, like you see, you know they're in a good mood. I don't know why, but I want to ask them. Today they say we play.
We play now. We lost. We just we win one game.
But how come? Because normally when a young man there, when I get very good team. Now what's happening today?
You know now you meet up team that is stronger past you, and the organization are they not organized too well for pick the teams. There.
You so say the left no Roguna?
No. The team they be a better team than we anyway.
Oh my, fair excuse.
I don't think you man a better team than you. You man play past you, know what I mean? A bad game we get.
Okay, bad
but
game.
Man pass and score one goal just now.
Okay, so how far wanna go?
Well, we'll go to quarter final, but
yes, okay,
but at least no matter forget one chance more for play. Yeah. But I don't know the organizer who's they just still wait, so now then they will wait.
So no definitely if we qualify or not. No.
So what's one I play for third place or fourth place?
No, for qualify go semi-final.
Oh, for semi-final.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now who's one in the place when
Salon France, they play with one Ghanaian team. I don't know if it's Zenge boys or I don't know how they call them. Zongo or something.
Are they also playing for qualify?
Yeah, that's also they play for qualify go semi-final. Possibly anyone part of the winner they will meet up semi-final.
And now the first time you want to participate or have you done before?
No, we participate almost every year now. Last year we play final, now we now be the runners up. Okay. And the year before last we play again final, runners up again. And I think 5 years ago we win them, but the last time they will win now.
So no longer runners up 2 times or 3 times. So no think say only Sarah now. You know, let's say then the whole on a foot for this fight and for win that company. So no put Sarah.
No. We need for work hard. We don't need for put into prayer. Prayer not able to solve this. This now we for work hard now. Any kind.
I like that. All right, my brother. I wish you a good luck for next year.
The barbecue to all the people they watch. 232 barbecue. August 3rd, Saturday, Park Sport North.
Okay.
So
August 4, August 3rd. All right. Right now, Adenaya at the Ghent Barbecue. Are they with me 2 brothers them? I want to tell people what's your name.
Me na Big Kaba. Right now na Ghent.
All right. And
Maningo Chief. AK Maningo Chief.
All right. What's your name?
Bodalaba.
All right. We there today. When they watch this out, this barbecue now against Naya, you know, so far so good. Right now about 7 o'clock. What do you think about the turnout?
The turnout is not around at all. As soon as I can see, the dunya don't count. So I want next year, let us double this crowd because this crowd you don't double last year. Yes. So one next year, let us double this crowd. Once you know all people that will not be don't see for past 10 years, I don't see them today. Would expect for see more people that will not be don't see for the last 10 years back.
Okay. Bodalaba, you na a promoter of the Ghent Barbecue. You na a promoter of every program at the Salon community inside the diaspora. You know, now we see it's still early, and you see the kind of turn up from France and everywhere. What's in your comment about that one day?
You know, this that we need. We don't need more than this. You know, and I believe Satan gathering there.
Hey.
Not for make money, not for make togetherness. For all day together, you know, it mean a lot. You understand? Not to everybody I go friend and host. Not to everybody kick a friend and host. So then gathering there and I gathering what we need, you know. So the turnout really fantastic from everywhere, you know. Most especially the people that will come all the way France, England, you know, for can play ball. This I love, you know. We tell them all thank you, Holland. You know, Belgium talk ready. You know, who knows say Belgium we are home base. Any outside come on, we can make them now. And I know. You understand? But we tell you, I know we come on fast. Say, we not thank you.
We tell them plenty thank you. I know come on Germany, Holland.
So looking at other events that happen in Belgium, what do you make the Ghent barbecue different?
Well, the Ghent barbecue is different because first of all, they're free. Anything where you pay now for yourself you pay them. And they never force you for let do them. I believe they make it different with any other thing because the food is very cheap, €10, and the drink very cheap. The normal price where you can buy now any other shop. So I think they make it different.
Bojalaba, I know saying you're a very busy man, no so, but you don't eat now?
I don't eat 2 plates already. 2 plates.
How much plates?
2 plates. 2 plates.
Okay. You don't drink?
I don't drink, I don't eat, but I 1 plate because I'm able to do 2 plates.
Okay.
The food too boku, I'm not able to do 2 plates.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, Famulem. We're only seeing from the one day we can attend the program. Well, I wish you all a very pleasant day. And I thank you for the interview. All right.
Thank you very much. Bakar King.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm taking over Bakar King in video right now. So I interview a special man right now, you know, a senior man of the community, you know, and somebody like you, if I log the interview, you know how everything is going. You win for we. You take me to final last year. Seriously, you took me to final last year. So I feel last year because I want to compare to this year.
Last year I feel really comfortable and really good with the team because, you know, I didn't live so much with the team, but every time when I come around, we still do the thing like the way we're supposed to, you know. I like the way the team they organize and come together, you know.
Of course, togetherness is something really important, you know. And this year again, you try your best, but unfortunately, we still in a quarter final. We're not too sure if we qualify. What do you think about that?
Well, for right now, the way I see, we have 1 more match. I think so we'll make them. Because, you know, we keep it real. We still say the same positive energy. It's still real. We still keep it like that. You know what I mean? Sierra Leone, we're trying to motivate our children growing up to continue this kind of thing. You know, it's nice. It doesn't matter outside there for let you be able to mingle with your people.
Of course. And I invite you officially to the 232 barbecue in Antwerp, August 3rd. We make a every year. I want to make sure to let's show up this. I want to perform for we. I don't know how I say no.
Una know say Antwerp na my city. I always happy for do something with Antwerp. You know what I mean? I feel unique when it comes to Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone represent in Belgium. Peace. I feel so good because when it comes to Brussels, they know me like the way they know me in Antwerp. When it comes to Ghent City, they know me like the way they know me in Antwerp. But I feel good when it comes to sport in Antwerp because why? It's the only place where I'm able to do more sports with me brother them. They always come together and do things, you know. I really love that, you know.
Of course, hey Tunde, thank you very much, man. You know, a big man of the community, you know, senior man, you don't do a lot for me. They sing nice music, you always they part of we they come up. So I want to know so we recognize you.
Anytime where una ready, we come for performance, let me sit in. Now they start making really music, you know what I mean? So we come to music anytime we are ready, I ready for a day for now.
Okay, man, I wish you good luck, man.
Bless.
I will see you around then. So good afternoon, everybody. I deal with a prominent somebody as the Sierra Leone community, Mr. Musa Ilari, my own daddy. So I therefore be a little bit partial, you know. I'm my own hero, you know what I mean, and somebody that they look up to. So now bear me, I therefore be a little bit biased, you know. Yes, Pops. So how the afternoon?
The afternoon good. Nice weather. Hell, we're there.
So what do you think about the barbecue, the organization and everything, how the atmosphere and everything?
Well, like I say, nice weather, the atmosphere look calm and then they bubble up. Because they already find music, they play on the breeze, then they dance, and the food, then they pass. The football tournament they on, they enjoy them. I also have the interview back, the opportunity for me, man, they interview me. And I'm so happy for say that again. I appreciate them for appreciate me. And myself tell them thank you for say you put the essential power to all for me we will do better things there.
That's great. Talking about doing better things, I just been discussing some of my party concerning una outing, the Slower, in our outing the 27th. So I don't know if you get something you want to say to people for reminder about the dates and everything.
Oh, that's good. The 27th. Una no the 27th. this month. Belgium outing. So now for the rest of for there, they ask for go early because people when they go early, then go enjoy more the outing because the outing they begin from 12 to 9 o'clock. So people when they go 7 o'clock and I tell you they go set back. By the time they done, the time not done, they will stop the music for come back then say we don't quick. So but if you go early, you will get 6 hours, you will get 4 hours. You know, you go long time 4 hours enjoyment, or you don't get time. But if you go late, we dey ask for back for more na turn up and more na help pass the message to that people don't know, so that the outing will become bigger and bigger and sweeter and sweeter.
Yeah, that's great because the earlier we go there, the better we will enjoy, the longer time we will able to spend it. The place of himself at around 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock latest, everything for them finish. So you better go earlier, it will be better for all of us. Because when I get for make show back na net this year or another plan?
No show this year na net. We decide for cancel the show na net because not for say the very eve. Wow, brother get big something they married, so the work go too much per way.
Okay, no problem. So some people will discuss, we will interview some other people about the 232 barbecue the 3rd of August. You get anything you want to say concerning the 232 people there?
Oh, 333 barbecue always now normal. It's big, it's fun, it's the game. Then get different varieties them. And never say this year they go out with a new idea because all the past year they can new something we can enjoy. And I never say the beef them back, you know go short, you know. Whoa! Because last time the beef them they walk so say I think pass the care goes on our house. So 333 barbecue, they welcome there, they don't welcome, we say they welcome una day. Because all they make the contribution for the barbecue be big and sweet.
Thank you very much, Pops. It's a big pleasure for interviewing now. I will see you around now. Take care. Yes, good afternoon once again. I get the captain of the Salone team, Pamamo 11. So Ingo could tell you more about what happened today in the game. So Kape Dauda, how are you?
Yeah, fine. How yourself?
Thank you now, man. So what's the situation right now concerning the game? How the results them and who's the teams today right now?
Well, right now in the place, we don't know how they organizing the go right now. Because we don't play like 4 games there. I think now only 1 game we lose. We have 3 goals against we. Then we win 2, we draw 1. Yeah, we go 2. So we don't know the situation where the organizers then put we right now. We just we try for see how best the organizer then go tell we say na so it go happen because the team the way it dey for 5 teams we don't know how they want to arrange them. So some players themselves already don't they on the guess the sky for go because they don't see nothing like that who they see organizing this year right now.
Yeah, reality because myself I be the play, but I don't change now because it take too long for the people like for tell me what's not the team, what's not the decision we then take because we don't even know if we qualify now for semi-final or need for playback another match or not. So what do you think about the organization? I know the barbecue are nice something. And they talk about the organization about the gala itself. What do you think about that?
Really, the thing is nice. I see they see no more now people then come up from England, Holland, France, you know, Belgium, yeah, then come on a different city, then come. The thing, anyway, this year I see say as people in turn up because last year, until we say Holland and not able to meet up for CAM, France not able to meet up, England not be able to meet up. But this time around, everybody come. And now they organize no more than half say they're not able to organize them to the way how the match they're supposed to go. But everything they go well. And myself, I feel happy. The game play fine. The games they don't play because all the team in this trip we come, everybody they play the ball. The game they fine. But now the organizing, now the problem no more now we not able to make the team they normal for we.
Okay, well, no problem, Kape. Thank you very much for coming. But it's one last question. What do you think about the performance of the Salone team this year?
No problem, we don't get problem this year. These 2 from last year to now, I think say we don't get team. We had the PC who said they happy for low able play for say without to call somebody who no know for like can help we. And really are happy for this kind of situation where I see. So we self will play against anybody. We believe we self will play against anybody. And player then they are then in a fixed club they will be say some man of football out in this country and they play regular football. So they tackle them, we play them to the way as we want and everything is normal. This team will try for build them up. As he say, the bobo them they're good enough for play with we. Yeah.
That means you're really proud of the team. Thank you very much, Kape. Yeah. I'm glad for interview. I will talk to you around.
Thank you very much.
DJ Mo. So make you talk about the small things. DJ Mo Banks. Oh, sorry. I get your name. I get your recognizer. No, that's my boy DJ Mo Banks. DJ Mo Banks. DJ Mo Banks.
You are in the mix with DJ Mo Banks, the superstar DJ. You are in the mix with DJ Mo Banks, the superstar DJ.
I want to know what's up. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Get Barbecue. I go stop the music if you want to bet or no bet. I go make this announcement. Yes, I know say una dey get phone. Now we begin. Hey, Anna, you go sit down. Go sit down. Yes, we got kings and queens from Paris. Yes, August the 19th, we go Paris, kings and queens. Ladies and gentlemen, I know
Alright, Adenaya would see Aisatu.
Yes, Adenaya will see Okoyawo 2019.
Yes.
July 26th, you have to be there. You know that there you go miss so.
How you ever enjoy the barbecue?
Oh my God, masterpiece. Masterpiece after all these years. So there is masterpiece. But you know with Belgium, anything we do is extra. And last week, the boat party, party of the year, party the diaspora. I said the outing again after the wedding. What's in the wedding? Look at back. You will enjoy. Anyway, happy. Because we in Belgium, we really don't show people and say we did. Because some people don't know Belgium, especially Africa. They think that Belgium is Brussels. That is the problem. But they don't know say Belgium na get Brussels. Brussels na the city. Anyway, we thank God for this crowd. And every year, I tell you, na plus. Every year na plus.
What did I mention for one day? Uno can this year?
Well, I believe say Uno can this year. Una miss a lot. As for last week, we missed a lot of people in the boat. We dey say bye-bye to them because time is time. But we Salon people in general, we lack of time. Salon because the boat left 1:30. Usa una been there. Yeah, next year, now the boat when they take 1,500 people. Yeah, una go for be on time. Time is time, please. And for this barbecue follow. This barbecue this year 2019, na masterpiece barbecue. Masterpiece, I'm telling you. On the diaspora from all over. In fact, I see somebody will come to Africa purposely for this barbecue. Now I mean say Belgium. We are friends. We are going forward ever. Backward never. Now we Belgium. Yawo, I'm there with you. Yawo. No, you miss your life. 2019. You have to be in scenic class. Scenic class is the place to be. I'm telling you. Okay, me no call him Makaro until after the 26th.
Thank you very much, Sierra too. Mr. Monplay, how do they do? Well, I don't know Mr. Monplay with the team Holland. They get an outing where they come. Free entrance. Mr. Monplay, what you want to say?
Well, just like how we talk with the provincial and people they say,
This year we will get no problem. Everybody go choose your own date. We get your own date. We don't want to come free. We don't want to go pay. We not get no issue. Now we brother them. We go always support them. They say we support we. If you need them for we come together, we come together.
Yes, Mr. Monplay.
Holland and Pro Dodge the 10th August. So we invite all the brothers there, all over the world Sierra Leoneans. If you brothers then Holland are okay with we. Now peace, love and unity among we the Sierra Leoneans there. So everybody welcome. The 10th August, a Pro Dodge free outing live in Eindhoven. Everybody invite them. Yeah, I get one last word. We get one big surprise. By God in power, we will announce the big surprise very soon. You know, so I've got to good for surprise people.
Okay. All right, Mr. Monplay, thank you very much, sir. Yeah? We will come for support on our live on 10th of August, inshallah. All right? All right. Well, when I hear Mr. Monplay, they say they don't get their own dates now. So definitely, we in Belgium now, we will give them support or we will give them by God in your own power. All right? Okay. I didn't know with the God mommy. Miss Anne-Marie been to Touré, the Marais, for the Gates Barbecue. Anne-Marie, you don't enjoy a shit. Where is cigar? When I go for that, what's me? Mr. Denke, can I arrange you fine? Mr. Denke, how are you, sir?
Fine.
You let's say you enjoy yourself today.
Pass back.
So, what you see the kind of here in Belgium, the way how we don't do entertainment, what do you want to say?
1000% Belgium don't count to one.
Yeah.
And the 29.
Yeah.
The whole world go see me.
Yeah.
Now Belgium.
Yeah.
Holland, una do the same.
Yeah.
Holland, if una want to go there, una do the same.
Voila.
Una do them.
Yes.
Una dey go there again.
Voila.
Now we don't decide now Belgium.
Yeah.
Salon now one.
Yeah.
Color this, not of business.
Yeah.
Now Salon now one.
Yeah.
Belgium we don't count to one. The 27 and St. Nicholas.
Yeah.
Una go see me.
Yeah.
What you can do?
Yeah.
Then Holland.
Yeah.
Now the same. I want to know that one. So now you know more. Thanks. I greet everybody.
Thank you very much, Mr. Denke.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Okay, Anne-Marie. Una watch cigar. What's in a cigar? Hold on me. So Anne-Marie, I enjoyed the barbecue.
Fantastically, if English can permit me. Best barbecue like Belgium. Best.
We're talking about the wedding here, right? No, barbecue. Hey. Come on. See ya. They disturb me, man. Stop that. Okay. What's that? That's gas wire. Right? That's what's up. Okay. Watching the turnout now today for this barbecue. What do you want to say?
Actually, it's fantastic because, first of all, there's so much stress. More than I don't even understand the stressful with the game. But one time like this, we need to get together, and besides, it is for a better thing because they don't build wells in Africa. So when we come, we also want someone with the key, and they put out towards something or better. It's an all transparency. So it is free for enter, but your contribution with food and drinks, I think that's the correct thing. You understand? If you want €1, you go to work for help somebody who better pass me. Because anywhere where you talk them, anywhere you want to put them, we better off pass everywhere where they fit up. So if we're able, water is life. And I don't build, and I'm proud of Get. Because nobody not get an incentive, they go build water, well them, well, it is a good thing. Because give people a water, you eradicate disease, and you make people able to survive through una. So I go urge all man for camp this, because you want something instead before you go buy, then they put out towards something. And I'm super proud of Get. I don't care so for the last 21 years. And I go always come. as long as it's for a better cause. Because whatever way you put up, we better off for some people them, and it's 90% of Sierra Leoneans back home. So some of we know the charity, some of we know they give something, but this way they can buy. At the same time, we enjoy people and the benefits from this. So God bless SLPU, and may God make them continue this incentive, and God bless the chairman who will this incentive come.
So what's in a message to run the Unokan this year?
No, this year I need for come next year. Yeah, it's understandable. But if I can scan around and I can see how big it is, just like the boat party, it's gonna get bigger and it's gonna be fantastic. Because at the end of the day, we all are one. That's why it's what party we did. We all are one. Somebody for those 60 days, we all cry for them. So, we know the sweet tongue. We don't mind what they are. Because at the end of the day, we are all one. So that's why we are successful for being a sweet tongue. No matter what political color you get, we all are one. When somebody gets what they can enjoy, we donate, we give with them. So when I left for set farm, we really want to ask for one piece that's alone. Whatever the case be that we motherland, one piece, and it is good for all of us. When we get yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Hey! Whoa, whoa! Mariam Asila Parade, all the way from the UK. Big sis.
Yes.
You know on the phone also?
Yes, I am on the phone.
All right.
We're supposed to live like family.
What's up? Senior man. Senior man.
I expect.
Well, I see you guys, eh? Go, can I find? Adebayo. Sure. After you now,
I'm me back.
After Adebayo. Oh my, you can't add today. We can show love to the Gent barbecue. What thing now you take on the outcome now today?
I'm like, I feel good because I thought this will make I come witness this particular program. And I believe saying a story for me because we are all Sierra Leoneans, no matter waiting people or whatever, right? But I always appreciate the Belgian people for any time I come here, they always embrace me. And I always appreciate them because this thing don't they continue. People they come from France, Germany, England, people they come all over for can witness this particular barbecue. So like I appreciate, and the people are so lovely too. Right. So I'm okay. Not waiting people in the field. But when I come, everybody they come near me, everybody wants to snap with me, everybody want to talk to me. I feel happy. I know say what's the part, they're very good and nice. Because if you don't be good, everybody they push for me. So I really happy. Yeah.
All right. You are a very outspoken brother. You are the man of the people. For there you can hear, you see the unity among Salonians. What's your message for the one day walking get problem with themselves?
Like I can say, the way how Sierra Leone don't go now, everybody gets your own way, how you do your own thing. But when it comes, I can assure every Sierra Leonean, Sierra Leone are one for the country, we're very united. In the sense, everybody can get differences, but it's the same program. You can see we all they come together, we all go bind, we all go eat one side. So like I don't can say that one day now, you know what I mean, now talk with me. So we able to talk. But not to they talk, not all they do. So like I appreciate the unity because look this kind of crowd. Now all Sierra Leone they do them, Nigeria say no they do them. Right? Guinea say no they do them, but now all Sierra Leone they see this kind of unity. So I appreciate that.
Okay. So, Adebayo, so when una program in Holland?
Well, this year we finally the Malava don't done because at least the team will be the big problem now Holland. Now the way they use the same dates for 2 outings. But now the first outing at the 10 when at the FIBA the 2, the second outing at the 17th of August when at the Sierra Leone State Union. So now I believe say everybody don't accept the fault and we all don't come together now. Now we all go to the outing there and go support them. I believe say one day we will get one outing for one day. I believe that, sure.
God bless you for our whole day. Alright, Adebayo, thank you very, very much, yeah?
My pleasure.
Let's go make Icon so safe. Let's go back safe in our house, alright?
Amen. It's okay. Thank you.
Adebayo! Alright. And then now Super Amani, all the way from France. Amani, what do you want to say about Kitchen?
Yeah, but like what everybody say, so they make it the same day. Yeah. But now it better we go don't begin cancer the art now. They do different dates. We play God, like what everybody say, not play God one day, not get one outing. Yeah. Let we enjoy the peace of Sierra Leone and the diaspora. Because but I work me to laugh to this man. And the peace we need. Yeah. So many stress now, but we pray God for me and get unity. Okay. And I'm not letting them forget it. October 19, we'll get the Royals, the Kings and the Queens night. Royals!
October 19.
Yeah, in Paris.
Okay, what do you want to say about this Gent barbecue today?
So me now go so these are the best barbecue always at the camp. Yeah. But I don't like by you.
So why you rush for me for now? I got other program in France.
I got a program but I left from because at the car on this program then I go back. But I can shot this style this list of Ibaret. But I keep it. Thomas qui sait, la gueule qui sait. Comment les balles que les sique, amasique, amasique.
Comment c'est? Ganas. Baba said, man, salute you, man. All right, family, we enjoy, we got a good time. When I thank you for coming.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, one missile.
Yes, Salonians are here in great numbers. They dance, they party, they enjoy themselves. All right, that's what they do at the Gent barbecue. When I see number of people there, yes, Haja Jenny, it is showing catch work. He ready kind of day. Now me sister, when I see him, he play like Ronaldo. Igwe. All right, it's cool. What up? All right, so many Salonians are out here. Super Covity in here. Covity, how you dey do? How you enjoy your outing? What do you want to say? I want to let you comment about the outing today.
This is the way they asked me for. Oh my God. Well, the outing nice as usual. Every year I can always come. So I think this year good because I see lots of crowd. You know, people can come out from all over, from England, France, Germany. I think Australia. So I think this year good. So we dey enjoy, we dey get fun. Babaka, you know say I don't like the camera.
Problem, Mr. Sila. You don't enjoy. Don't they dance? I don't enjoy the outing.
I don't enjoy the outing. Good. Yeah.
You know it's now?
No, I know it.
Okay, no, I don't say no. You want keep in shape for the 26th now, so?
Yes. Call me, name is Abimi. I don't eat, okay.
How do you feel about the outing?
The outing nice.
I say the outing, I mean the barbecue.
The barbecue nice.
Get a good time?
Yeah, I'm getting good time.
What do you want to say to Rwanda who no come?
They miss, una miss. Next time una for come. Next time I go come, I'm sure.
Mr. Popaka, you put on you get the right thing you want. See you, man. How you do, sir?
No bad, Mr. Ronald.
What do you want to say about the outing today?
Well, the outing nice. A good place you countryman them come together and do things like this. I mean, I'm happy Wakaya. For come along and see spaces they want to see for 15 years, it's good.
If you say all the travel is worth it to be here.
Oh yeah, it's worth it. It's worth it, 100%. Sorry? Well, I mean, we hope say next year them self go participate and come, they meet other people them, get to see people them, because the one they know they actually miss. It's good for see you come in Sierra Leone and them as unite as they are right now. Lovely. I wasn't surprised. Because I've been on the camera over the years. So I'm not surprised.
All right, but I hope so you get a great time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Definitely when they come. All right. Alors, bonjour, ça va? Comment ça va? Tout va bien?
Oui, tout va bien. On est là, on s'amuse beaucoup. C'est trop bon. Oui.
La barbecue. What do you want to say about the barbecue?
Oui, c'est trop bon. On a bien mangé. C'était trop bon. C'est doux. Donc ça va. Tout ça va. On s'amuse bien aussi.
Oumou, merci beaucoup.
Merci à toi.
Mr. Paul Parker Denaya, et Rachel, they never get a discussion. Mr. Paul Parker, as a leading member of the Salon community, when you see a garden like this with unity and peace, how do you feel about it?
I mean, what more can you say? This is not the community, this, everybody there, I just tell Rachel, I mean, I'm proud of what they do. They promote your sister, community, so this, we're going to show more love and less hate. I always say this about Sierra Leone. The commitment to this community, I will make sure we unite. Because the more united you are, the more successful you are. So this is a manifestation of what they happen today. And there's more to come, definitely. Yeah. So this is just a start, And I'm glad because we don't maintain this culture, this occasion every year. And every year it's getting bigger and bigger, So it's good. It's a good thing. Yeah.
Madam Rachel, as a promoter at the entertainment industry, Mr. Oliver, I know this. All right. Rachel, as a promoter, as a Sierra Leonean, what thing are you comment about today at the Ghent barbecue?
What I see today, now the unity about the Ghent barbecue. Now see where they go on every year, and I hope so we will stand to that. And look all the beautiful people them. Look all the people in the dance. You know one come out, you look for people the way you have people when they come. Holland and they have France and they have England people they all come. You see them all around there. We could just unite like how we don't unite so. And wait till they say back again, this thing is where they go every year. I want them for a year. So if we know we come together and dance like how all they dance so, if they make we come closer and forget about we even stress in Belgium, so and think say yes, I can forget about my worries and can't dance to salon music. So I stand for salon music, team up for Covity, and then for the Belgian people them. And another grip for the Belgian people them. And power to the women them. And I stand for women empowerment. And the girls in Belgium back again. Are ready for promote and support the girls them. And August 4 we they go to the 232 for go support them back again. The girls and they. So here we come with Covity. When they come with Covity from Belgium, where they base now, so they come with them back again. So Bakaki, I tell you thank you for what you said they do. Through this photographing and camera, the people in the camera they talk their mind, and people their mind, they connect to the camera, and I'm glad for that back again. All said and done, the ambience stay on anyway. So as you see, so left and so right.
All right. Thank you very much, Rachel. Thank you very much, Mr. Paul Parker. All right, that one then for you. You keep one for yourself, then give me the other one.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Rondo. I come back. All right, family. On a ici the party they go on. Salonians are enjoying themselves. They came from London. They came from the Netherlands. They come from all sides. For can show love. Udenaya with Baba Sheikh Production. Baba Sheikh Production also. Senior Baba Sheikh. Udenaya. Young brother from Holland. Can show love. Big up to all the ladies. Yeah. The place is up to, we don't even have place to work right now. Big up. Big up. Big up. Yes, you see how he said in here. He enjoy himself. He rap and dance. He gets a good time. I will see it. Jamila for you. This is the Maya. Elephant look at all. Alright. When I see the ambience is good. People are happy. Everyone's having a good time. Some of the champ meets. Because he was fine when I did young. You don't swear. You don't train, eh? You don't train. You don't train. Alright. So then I have with AF. All the sell ticket for the food them. All man busy doing work. Some they eat food, some they dance, some they drink. This now the outcome and the purpose. You see Madam Umu. Hello, how are you? Alright. And we get Mr. James Aliyu. Mr. James Aliyu, how are you? How do you enjoy the barbecue? Very nice, no so.
If anybody don't come, you don't miss, bruh. If anybody don't come, you don't miss. So we really enjoy them.
Okay, on area for Mr. James Ali, you know so. My boy Lula Jabi, he on the phone, he talk. He and Jenas Rari boy. Lula, you ever enjoy?
26. Hey, we're here getting barbecue. 2019, having fun, right? Well, this barbecue is something is annual, so every year we look up to Ram and it didn't fail. We always grow, it impress we, and this year is no different. It's good. The place is full. Again, people are doing well. The proceeds of the barbecue, they use them well, and we're happy with that. We're happy to come and patronize with them. They're doing a good job. So, what else do you ask for? When people and they pay the money for them to year, at least when they do well with the proceeds, you feel happy to come next year and pay and patronize with them. You know, this has been a traditional thing for like 20 odd years. They celebrate this Ghent barbecue every year, and you know it's always growing. And this year is good as well. Perfect. So that's my message.
All right, Mr. Dula Gassama Jabi. I want to tell me how the food tastes like.
The food nice.
You enjoy the food, no so? You enjoy the food?
Yeah, the food nice.
Okay, well, Binta say you enjoy the food. I want to go ask another person. Make her hear what they say about the food. You know, even right now, the place is so tight in the way that even for do interview, you know, very very easy. You know, you have mask on people and toes. Even me brand new shoes we are very safe now. They don't see. You know, right now I don't vex safe. You know, because these shoes here, the way I treasure I'm not so, you know, funny you for me and dirty and for me right now. All right. So last show now the process.
But we out in Bako, we out in the camp. Yeah, we out in 27. They never forget 27. Just after the king in marriage, 27 we out in. So now, all month already.
Okay, so this is the process. Right now, the mommy they buy for me food. So that show now till it happen. When you pay your money, then they give you ticket. With that ticket, you can choose what you want. Then they put that for you in a plate. The brother busy. How you do? All right. So at the show now, the process, how you buy and get served. See, more tomato they come. Nothing no is short in here. All today in numbers. This one soup, salad, carrots. You get cucumber. Mr. Habib busy in here himself. And then they serve the food them. So no patient, now we see. Will not forgive me for the shake because then they push me behind. This not in every community like for see. This not in every organization you wish for make a program in which is you get so many Salonians where they can participate, they can show love. You know, in a very peaceful atmosphere. Aja Jane, the guy left for enjoy. Hey, Aja, I enjoy the barbecue.
Well, to be honest, we're not going to expect this really, you know, because the weather and all that stuff that is some and they discourage the weather, rain the car. But unfortunately, people they really turn up, so we're really happy. You know, we're really happy, big bro.
So were you expecting this crowd or you just be confused and don't know how the outcome will be?
Sorry?
I said, were you expecting this crowd today?
Yeah, of course. Like I said, we are expecting the crowd, but yeah, I don't know, please. Yeah, like we are expecting the crowd, but not this, you know, not this much, you know, because yeah, so people are saying, okay, the weather, people are going to come, people are not going to come, but like we are really surprised, you know.
You don't eat now, you don't buy the food?
I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry? How the food? Did you enjoy the food?
I'm really hungry. I have to find food and eat, you know. I've not eaten yet. So, and what's up? Wait.
So you eat it?
I know eat it.
So you never save your money?
I don't save, you know, because I have to be ready for
Alusign. Now you tell us, let's save your money no so. Make you not buy food no so.
What's it?
I say Alusign, now you tell us make you save your money no so.
Left Alusign.
What do you want to say about the outing?
The outing's fucking nice. I really like it. Like for me, I don't spend here like 2 months. I feel like home. I really like it, and I see lots of people there. They make me forget about a lot of stress, and I love the people there.
Okay. Now Ghent, you there or other parts of the country?
What?
You live in Ghent or?
I don't know. I live in Leuven.
Okay, you came all the way from Leuven, and do you regret coming here or you happy you are here?
I'm really happy to see my African people. Welcome to Sierra Leone!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, now see everybody's enthusiastic, everybody's happy, everybody's celebrating the unity. You can see different races are here, you know, from the Ghent community who are here to support the Ghent barbecue. You see, this is the unity when you have, yes sir, when you have a great occasion with a lot of people from different backgrounds, it makes it a very unique program. So you can see these people are here having a good time, you know. Hello, alles goed? Okay, some of them might be the first time they're here, to celebrate this occasion here with the Salonian community, and you can see the laughter, the smile on their faces. It's telling you that there is a great unity within the people here. You know what I'm saying? So this is an opportunity for Sierra Leoneans all across the diaspora for you to understand the value of unity. When there is unity, there is nothing we cannot overcome as people. When there is unity, it carries the logo and the tag of Sierra Leone, because at the end of the day, people who are here today, whether they are white or from other countries, they will be told, or somebody will tell them that this is a Sierra Leonean program, and they will take that name, that wow, I've been to a Sierra Leonean gathering that was very, very organized, very, very peaceful. This is the reason why some of us are fighting very hard for the unity of this, our community around the diaspora. So this is what unity can do. That is what I'm stressing about. This is what unity can do. If we were divided, this outcome could have been different. My friend, by enjoying himself. Oh my goodness. Oh, I tell you now. What else? What else is much better than this? What in again you will see within a community way more beautiful than this? There's nothing. Peace and unity is the only way out. Brothers, there you go. There you go. There you go. I enjoy. You get DJ Tipex. All my own DJ Merco, also the Naya. This are the diplomats there from the Salon Embassy. They always with the community, they always can show love to the Salon community in whatever gathering what we they do. Salon Embassy. Yes. This is what we do. Maria Magina Parade. Yes. Aejo. Aejo. Oma Olion. What else? What else? What else? What else? The only part enjoy. The only part enjoy. The only part enjoy. Alright. This is the Sierra Leone Progressive Union. Outing, outing, outing. Alright, alright. Peaceful Sierra Leoneans. Peaceful Sierra Leoneans. Go sexy, but that's more. Wanna dance? Aja Marie. Aja Marie, you be say you be wearing a shirt process. March 7, 2020, Salon Divas Yellow Star Edition. Don't forget, be there. Who's side? The same size last year. Don't forget the address. Belgium or Holland? Belgium. Yeah, definitely. I will be there. I will be there. I will be there. Hello, alles gut?
Ik ben Nanny en ik ben super blij in Zambia.
Anne-Marie, Anne-Marie, what do you say about barbecue today?
What do you say about the wedding? About the barbecue, nice for me. I get fun. I don't know for the rest, but yeah, it really makes sense.
You don't eat now or eat now?
No, now, so because I don't sell for kites and the food is only on point. I don't eat 2 plates. 2 plates jollof, now mixer. 1 with 3, the other make out chicken with. Now 2 are chop. I don't not forget, so next year the Salon Divas, they come up with them black and yellow. 3rd edition. And me as the vice CEO. We will bring come up something really hot this time on. Next year, it will take place in Belgium. March 7 this time on.
Okay. March 7, the Divas are coming back. All right, guys. I see now me bobo Kaike.
If this man not be give me invitation, I can't find marry.
I belong to you now.
Boy, if wait me send the invitation. He count and pong na me the month. Now my get love for, but I want take you one form. If you not be give me, I know they can't hear you. But anyway, you're one of the best marriages one I ever think of. You know, I guess every Sierra Leonean get for Dede, you understand, and he get to be one of its kind. You know, say this man he always they cooperate, he always they go for people and program in the corporate. So now time for love pay and back, you know, love pay and back in a good turn up, you know, love show and the love, you know, love tell and say now somebody, and love tell and say he useful, and love show and say now man of its kind. You know, he marry not get for funny, you know, me say get for Dede, I get for perform live. You know, I get for perform.
Sky K is gonna perform right here, eh?
I get for the live, I will perform free of charge, only for the king. I get for give them fine song and a brand new song, Fantasy. That song will dedicate to Ram and US.
That's what's up. It's all love. Thank you, Sky K. Thank you, everybody. We don't make noise. Serious one. Yes. What's it? You see? Left fam. See. I like your style.
Thank you, Baka. Thank you.
Would I get 6 pack that one of your farm? And father, aka the Leon Farm soldier. I get 6 pack. Charity. Anyhow, we don't forget that.
Pam. Oh, this guy, the greatest young man from the Kingdom of Netherlands, the finest man from the Kingdom of Netherlands, the guy who don't sleep, the guy who always alert, the fine boy, Mr. Sexy, Mr. Good Looking, Mr. Humble. He gets every title. I salute you, sir. What do you want to say about the barbecue today? Sir? What do you want to say about the barbecue today?
Wow, the barbecue, fantastic, a very good, man, you know. The barbecue, a very unique, a well organized, a very good, you know. Very good.
Okay, as a young man from Holland, where he be saying, I'm the control SLCU. I know say on the outing come very soon. What's the message for the outing in Holland?
Well, we want to tell everybody no more say we get SSC, we out in when September, August 17. We encourage everybody say yes, of course una come patronize with we na Holland, and of course na August 17 at the date na I know them. We dey beg una all, we dey not by force una beg, we dey beg una, of course, you know. We dey beg una for la una can, una no go regret una can see people wey don pass 10-15 years, una no ever see una can. We dey give una the best.
Farm entertainment. Well, I hope so that you get a good time.
Yeah, and of course Farm entertainment. September 7, we come up with live football gala, barbecue and show. We come back also, you know. We don't regret them back, you know. Mr. Bakaki Conte, the hero na Belgium, of course. I salute you, bro.
I salute you. Thank you very much, sir.
You're a big hero, bro. And of course, I don't forget so July 26. This my marriage. I don't take free 2 days free. Now take only for camp for that marriage day. And I count the rest of my family, my wife, my pikin, all of the count them. Sure, bro, 100%.
Wow, that's love right there, homie. Welcome and thank you very much. And say hello to the madam for me.
No problem, thank you so much. I will say hello to everybody and hello to the Mamina Power, the Mami himself. I don't say no to talk Creole. I'm for not speak English, but I don't speak English. I Creole to talk. The Mami, I wish you good luck and I wish you success, and I believe say you no go ever regret the man where you married to. Trust me, now one of the most, now me all celebrity who they admired with no regret. I say now one of the biggest celebrity the one that the Sierra Leone community who they admired. I can't pick on them. I salute you.
Let's play it, man. Mr. Bar. All right. My daughter. All right, guys. Una dey see the turnout. Everyone is here. Albert Manaf is here. Albert, tell us about the barbecue.
The barbecue get fun because we don't play ball. We don't play football. Now I see everybody there together as one. We dey try for like dance, enjoy ourselves, and make fun. You know, because now this we want see, now this we like. Make the Salone community be as one. Make we able spend time together. We able enjoy ourselves in order of oneness and unity. Now that's what they would look forward to. And don't forget, it's all about the king's wedding. Adebian and tight one. Emma Sin, don't worry. The king's wedding. Food, drinks, not a problem. Only thing una can't quick. I know I made the boat left una like how the boat left so. It just says they are coming already. It gets small sense. This way you see so it gets small sense. Where no bang and no bang boss in this. Yes, sir. So you see, that's all. Lord pray for this unity. Let the unity continue. And the next point, now Bakar King wedding. After Bakar King wedding, we get an outing. It's all about oneness. It's all about what your family look for. Forward to oneness, togetherness, and unity for Make Salone community in Europe, America, and other places and be as one. Much love. You can see Baba Sheikh there and itself they do the same thing. It not mean we there as one. That's love. That's unity. That's what in Bakar they fight for. Bakar King and one person where they fight for this unity. And that's why I always stand there now. And I'm only brown in Europe.
Thank you very much, Albert Manaf. Right now, Baba Sheikh never work, so I don't want to disturb him. But Baba Sheikh later, I can interview you so that you can give your own input about the outing. You don't say all time I will do video, but not the video. But today I video you, you don't video me. All right, Baba Sheikh, see you later. All right. Una see all these dignitaries here. We big one then at the community. Yes, Mr. Aluska, the holding here, Mr. Conte, the holding here. The biggest Conte for all the Conte there. Mr. Conte, hey, me na Aronko na want to, Aronko na me want. All day, but Conte, I do with you. Una see na here, Mr. Junior Parade, me a celebrity. Look at, it can't balance me, but you don't say me how to balance. Mr. Parade, no, Mr. Parade, wait for. Mr. Parade today, Brazil man. Okay, first I'll be with you because I don't say what you do, you don't get choice. You don't make no excuse. How are you, sir?
I'm fine.
How do you enjoy the Ghent barbecue?
Very well.
So when you see crowd like this, unity, no fighting, how does it make you feel as a Salonian?
Yeah, actually the crowd is good because not like last year. Last year, not being good like that, but this year I think it's nice. Very good, yeah.
Mr. Parade, all the way from London, United Kingdom, you carry the entire family, you know, as an icon. Now the community, former Leo star footballer, we make name for we make today. We all see you like a king inside the kingdom. What do you want to say about the Ghent barbecue today?
Barbecue is not bad anyway because I know to be first time for Ghent barbecue. I don't they can barbecue. This Ghent barbecue for so long, but and we don't take a while we are absent from this barbecue. But today, I count my team from London who can play the veteran team because Sam is a very good friend of mine, you know. So just come for grace the occasion with him. And I'm glad because I can meet most of my brothers the way don't tell us.
All right. Well, and tonight now, this is not the reason why before the camp and garden there because for all the meet we serve and then you know, share memories, you know, talk and laugh, you know what I mean? And I see the chairman of Slawa, they try for hide now. He don't say he try for hide by me, but if he forgets him, me on camera, he had for escape. So what do you want to say about the July 27 outing?
Well, I appeal that everybody
for come that outing day because one of the best outing for now na Europe. The venue is perfect and the price also is perfect. So with the appeal that everybody for come that outing day because na a special day that day. The Friday, the man behind the camera, when the wonderful Mr. Bakar King in wedding the Friday, they will go do the honeymoon for the outing. Yes.
I like that. He said the Friday na me wedding and the Saturday na the honeymoon. What do you get fine pasta one day during the holiday, in the summer holiday? So una come, Lord, we can enjoy. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you, Mr. Parade. Thank you, Mr. Abdul Kamara. Okay, una see na Mr. Conte, the Conte and dinner here. See big brother he said in here. He chill, he enjoy himself. You see Mr. Matti. France or you in Belgium now? Huh? You still in France now, so you come up France, we can show love on the Ghent barbecue.
Assist with the Sierra Leone brother there. For tell them say we're proud of them. Nada me kudia. For let yourself can contribute. We self can for contribute to Sierra Leone brother them. For tell them say never mind Usa Ude. We go try for build up a relationship. We all go come together. We go make we able to go forward.
So far you enjoy the barbecue?
They really enjoy it because I don't take people in the way we say they don't take 10 years and not see them. So in the 5 years I not see them. I don't can see them back today. So I really happy for that. Now they will keep me so no can come around we program them day.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Conte, all the way from Paris. Mr. Mati Bangura, first of all, you know, say me married the cam, I know your glasses. That glasses, Papa, I don't call it for a move.
Yeah, that's good, no problem. What you want, I'm going to give you know.
Okay, as a member of the Salon community in Belgium, you know, we all try for bring peace to the community. When you see an atmosphere like this, how does that make you feel?
I'm really happy for see people like then come gathering there. So, you know, once in a while, you find that we come join with both of them for come celebrate the barbecue, the kind of barbecue. I don't take place now for a very long time, but the kind way where the thing don't they go, I'm really happy because I don't tell you for like you see a gathering like this now, Ghent here so. But the Ghent barbecue, they always bring people them together. So I really glad and then I really appreciate and the atmosphere as you can see. People from all parts of Europe they come create this occasion today. So I'm really happy anyway. I'm glad anyway.
All right, thank you, Mr. Mati. See within Naya still in Ghent. Right now you see motorcar and park Naya all over the place. People are coming from everywhere. They get a good time. You know, senior man and then Naya. Some come on Germany, some come on Holland. You know, how you the senior man anyway. I can jealous of you. Me, I no kill like a post the storm pass me. I the jealous bad. All right. So, how you see the Ghent barbecue today?
The barbecue superb. This barbecue any year they upgrade. I tell anybody, we don't can this year. Next year we come back. We can enjoy. We can see some fun.
So people that want to, I don't say they know you, but you represent a club now. So tell them what's in a club in name.
This is Empire.
Empire is in the building. All right. So on the scene, the representative of the Empire, the old Naya. Then the show of any side anyway. Then we depend the Lyon farm, then barbecue. You know, anytime we do something and then they come. You know. So when you see something like this, how that make you feel as a Salonian?
Well, I'm so happy. Now this is what we look for. We family all left in Africa, but yeah, they are for B1. And then program we find for kind, they see old friends and new friends. See, everything what they see now is our love. I appreciate. We the salon play, they commit to each another. Next time, all people and come back. Yeah.
What do you want?
Oh, well, I say I love it or not because when one of the players that we can represent the team for the barbecue and we like the love we then show, you know, everything okay, everything fine, you know. We like for see it turn up next year back.
So what's happening by the tournaments? Them pull on quick?
Well, unfortunate for them pull you quick because of you know, football. Now one man they win, so we'll go out quick, you know, tournament. But hope for come better the next time, you know, for do better next time.
Well, thank you very much. Hope for see you next year again, okay? All right. See man, the charming roast meat. You know funny oh. Look at the guy. What are you hide pa? Abu. Let me hide pa. Okay, you dey eat. Okay. I come for you back this now. Eat for let. Now the camera hide pa. Okay. All right. Fresh. Wagwan.
It is cool.
All right. How do you enjoy the barbecue?
The barbecue nice, and the guests are nice right now. You know, everything okay as usual. Well, like I say, I'm always impressed. I'm not impressed. They're always impressed because Belgium really turn up. I see the unity. You know, they always is for doing. You know, I hope we will copy from them. Only on the other side, they will copy from the unity way. Belgium, they always try for show unity way. They always try for the love and everything. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, Empire is in the building. All right, Mr. Jallo. Mr. Ibrahim Jallo. Mon ami. But fresh for no. Ibrahim, what do you want to say about that? What do you want to say about barbecue? You correct? Well, make the correct sign. Make it. Not correct. Okay.
Adeochi.
Sanusi.
Yes, sir. What's your wrong, sir?
You tell me.
A long time no see, sir.
I know, you can't have barbecue.
I can't. Yeah. You don't say man no car around the community. Today man can mingle with the community. You know what I mean? Yeah. So
how you feel?
Well, everything they go well. You know what I mean? And I see people and new people and old people. You know what I mean? Like usual no more. The family together, all man happy, all man look nice. You know what I mean? So that's very necessary in the community. You know what I mean? So things like this is very necessary. You know. Yeah, man.
All right. Sanusi, you hope you come back next year? Come back next year?
Next year, by God in power, if you long life, everybody demand they come. Yes.
Thank you very, very much. I want to go video quick over yonder. You see? Then you can do this on my talk of war.
No problem, but I do it.
All right. So family, now you can see what's in the go on here. I see them do. I think talk of war. Okay, I see something going on here. Music and cheer, I guess. Okay, the Ghent barbecue upgrade. Now not only football tournament, not only for eat and drink, but at the same time, then they do special activities like music and cheer. It's fun out here. Bobo, hey, boy, me and laugh. I want laugh. Hey, I wanna watch Nasra Tudina ya, Miss Abidi yanda, Mafere de yanda, Gloria de yanda, Anne-Marie de yanda, Madame Asila de yanda. Then they cheat. They want cheat. This now. Alright guys, wanna see, I cannot express anymore how beautiful the atmosphere is. I cannot express furthermore how unified Sierra Leoneans are from the diaspora. They're here from all over Europe. These guys are all Liberians, Nigerians, Guineans. They are all here just to come as a community, not just a Sierra Leone community, but as an African community. Inviting friends of Sierra Leone. You can see black, white, green, yellow, Indian, Chinese. They are all here. All right. So this is what the Ghent barbecue is all about. This is what the organizations in the community of Belgium are all about. It's just to create a platform where is as a community we can disqualify. Una disqualify them. Tell them say anybody who cheated for disqualify them. Oh. Yes. Ati Mufasu, what's happening? I'm around.